Today, we are going to talk about one of the biggest problems for English learners, and that is translating in your mind before you speak. Many students feel stuck because they cannot speak quickly, and the reason is simple. They first think in their language, then they try to translate into English, and then they speak. This takes time, and it makes speaking slow and difficult. Sometimes you forget words, or you feel nervous, or you stop speaking completely. But the truth is, you do not need to translate. You can learn to think directly in English, and when you do that, speaking becomes easier, faster, and more natural.
Let us understand why translating is a problem. When you translate, your brain is doing too much work at the same time. First, you create an idea in your language. Then, you search for English words. Then, you try to build a correct sentence. Then, you worry about grammar. All of this happens before you even speak. This makes your brain tired, and it creates stress. That is why many learners feel afraid to speak. But when you think in English, you remove one big step. You go directly from idea to English words, and this saves time and energy. Now, the important question is, how can you start thinking in English? The answer is simple, but you need practice. You must train your brain slowly, step by step. Do not try to think in long sentences at the beginning. Start with very simple words. For example, when you see a table, say in your mind, table. When you drink water, say drink. When you walk, say walking. This is the first step. You are creating a direct connection between the object or action and the English word without using your language.
After that, you can move to short sentences. For example, I am sitting, I am eating, I am listening, I am walking. These are very simple sentences, but they are powerful. You are not translating, you are thinking directly in English. Try to do this many times during the day. When you wake up, say, I am waking up. When you brush your teeth, say, I am brushing my teeth. When you go outside, say, I am going out. This daily practice helps your brain get used to English. Another important method is describing your environment. Look around you and describe everything you see in English. For example, the door is open, the window is closed, my phone is on the table, the light is on, I am in my room. You can do this anytime, anywhere. This practice is very effective because you are using real-life situations, and your brain learns faster when it connects language with reality.
You can also practice by asking yourself questions in English and answering them. This is one of the best exercises. For example, ask, "What am I doing?" and answer, "I am listening to a podcast." Ask, "Where am I going?" and answer, "I am going to work." Ask, "What am I thinking?" and answer, "I am thinking in English." This exercise helps you create a conversation in your mind, and you are practicing both questions and answers.
It is also very important to use simple English. Many learners think they need big words and complex sentences, but this is not true. Simple English is better because it helps you think faster. For example, instead of saying a long sentence, you can say, I like this, I do not understand, I need help, or I am tired. These simple sentences are enough for communication, and they help you speak more easily. Listening plays a very big role in thinking in English. When you listen to English every day, your brain starts to understand patterns and common sentences. You begin to remember expressions naturally. For example, when you hear "What are you doing?" many times, you do not translate it anymore. You understand it directly. This is how your brain learns. So listen to podcasts, watch videos, and try to listen as much as possible. speaking out loud is also very important. When you speak, you are training your brain to think faster. You can speak to yourself if you do not have a partner. For example, say, I am cooking, I am walking, I am working, I am learning English. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. Your brain starts to produce English without translating.
Another useful idea is to stop yourself when you start translating. When you feel that you are going back to your language, stop and try again in simple English. For example, if you want to say something difficult, say it in a simple way. Do not try to be perfect. The goal is communication, not perfection.
You can also practice by imagining situations. For example, imagine you are at a restaurant. Think in English. I am sitting at the table. I am reading the menu. I am ordering food. I am eating. Imagine you are at the airport, or at a shop, or with a friend. This kind of practice helps you build confidence and think naturally in English.
Reading is another helpful method. When you read, try to understand the meaning without translating every word. Focus on the idea, not the individual words. Over time, your brain will understand English directly. You can also read simple texts and repeat them to practice thinking and speaking at the same time.
It is very important to be patient. Thinking in English does not happen in one day. It takes time and practice. At the beginning, you will still translate sometimes, and that is okay. Do not stop. Continue practicing every day. Little by little, you will see improvement.
Confidence is also very important. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. When you speak, you learn. Every mistake is a step forward. If you wait to be perfect, you will never speak. So speak, practice, and improve step by step.
Make English part of your daily life. Change your phone language to English, watch videos in English, and listen to English every day. Surround yourself with the language. The more you see and hear English, the more natural it becomes. Finally, remember that thinking in English is the key to fluency. When you stop translating, you speak faster, you feel more confident, and you enjoy speaking more. Right now, you are listening, you are learning, and you are improving. Keep practicing every day, and step by step, you will start thinking in English naturally and easily.